Doesn't that sound nice? I know I just did a review on this thing, but I just want to show you what I did on the inside to get it sounding like this. I hope you can hear the difference, but basically, I'll be quick here. We're gonna need our Torx 8. Yeah. A couple of butcher blocks. So I made my own little custom foam inserts and gave myself a bit of a hybrid magnet setup. So this is the RapidPro from Rapid EDC, if you didn't know. And yeah, I cut my own little makeshift foam insert things here out of 2mm foam that I got from a craft store. It's right over here. So it's just like, it's about that thick. It's about 2mm thick. And yeah, compressed quite a lot in there, but it compressed the amount that I needed, right? Because I needed it to go right down into those magnet holes, but then also, you know, kind of keep everything else secure and also raise the plates just a little bit out from the body. And man, it worked great. Then I've got some strong N52 magnets in all the corners that are 1/4 inch by 1/8 inch. What are they? Yeah, they're 1/4 inch wide by 1/8 inch thick. And then these ones are 6mm wide by 3mm thick. There is a difference there. And then they're about, I think they're about like N45 or something like that. So I'll just put this back together. It's so easy to do it now. Just kind of get that whole pad there. Right on. This thing's so easy to throw the screw right back in. And I noticed like you can really like push on this thing. Screw really tight and you don't have to worry about, you know, bending the plate or anything. It's a whole 1/8 inch thick of stainless steel. And there you have it. Anyway, I just want to show you real quick. Anyway, that's it.